Welcome back to another vlog. It is a beautiful, beautiful Monday. It's Monday morning. It is 11:15. I just finished a workout and today we are going to be cooking one of my favorite meals ever. And I want to do this during lunch just because it's easier for me to film. And today we are going to be cooking steak. And I also just finished a workout, like I said. So while we cook the steak, I'm also going to go ahead and make myself a protein shake. Now I do apologize, the lighting is really bad, but we have the steak right here. It is a beef ribeye. Super excited about this. It is so good. Steak is my favorite food ever, and we're probably just gonna have it with some rice because that's the easiest thing. Alright, so I know what you guys are probably gonna say. I have, the stove and everything, but I actually really like making steaks in the air fryer. And that's what we're gonna go ahead and do today because that's just the easiest thing and it still tastes really good. And if you are wanting to learn how to make a steak in an air fryer, this is how you do it. Alright, first we gotta go ahead and plug it in. And then you want to go ahead and preheat it to 400 degrees, which will take 5 minutes. Our steak has been resting, so that is good. And then we can go ahead and take our seasoning of choice. Mine is the Kinder's Buttery Steakhouse. This mix is probably my favorite. I watch a YouTuber, he lives out of the back of his van, and he had this stuff, and I was like, hey, I'll go ahead and try it out. This stuff is amazing. It has everything you need in it. And then with all the excess, you go ahead and get the sides. Always make sure you lay it away from you. And then we're gonna put this in for 400 degrees for about 7 minutes because I like mine medium rare, and that should be good. Steak is cooking. Got my protein shake, and for the side, like I said, we're just doing rice. And because I'm in college and living that ultimate college lifestyle, this is the best rice you can go ahead and get. So we're just going to go ahead, pair it with some minute rice, and it's great because it comes in these little cups, so you get a great serving out of it, and it's going to pair really well with the steak. But I won't cook it just yet because it only takes a minute, and that still has like 5 more minutes left, so we'll do it once it has a minute left. 12 seconds, getting the rice ready, and it wouldn't be a 5-star meal without the drink. And you probably might be thinking, are you gonna have some G Fuel? Fortunately, no, because I already had my caffeine for the day and whatnot. But I did pick these up at the store the other day. The brand new Minute Maid refresher drinks. These looked so good. I'm a big fan of Minute Maid products, so figured I'd go ahead and try this today. This is the strawberry aguas refrescas, so we're gonna try that today and see how we like it. Got our drink. Let's go ahead and plate up the food. We'll start with the rice. We'll let the steak rest just a few minutes. Also, I'm gonna need a fork and a knife. Honestly, this knife probably won't do me that well. There we go. Alright, let's see how this steak looks. Oh yeah. Perfect. Let's go ahead and try this drink real quick. It says shake before opening. All right. Not bad. Let's go ahead and cut into the steak. Hopefully it is medium rare. My favorite type of way to go ahead and eat a steak, and the only right way to go ahead and eat a steak. Here we go. And there you have it. College steak. Looks really good. A little overcooked, but not too bad. All right, let's get a taste test. It still tastes really good. And using the air fryer is just so easy to clean up too. This is really good. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up eating my amazing steak. It turned out really, really well. Using the air fryer is just really convenient and easy instead of, working with the oven. This oven also is really bad with the preheating. It takes like forever. So the air fryer just takes 5 minutes to preheat, and you pretty much have a 5-star steak meal in the matter of 10 minutes. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy the rest of my steak and rice lunch. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys want some more fun cooking videos, in college and whatnot, let me know, and make sure to go ahead and subscribe, check out my socials, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Alright, well, we devoured this meal, or I should say I devoured this meal. I'm not gonna lie, this is really sweet. I was expecting it to be not so sweet. I don't know what I was expecting for this, like maybe more of a tropical drink, I don't know, but yeah, this one's really sweet. I don't know. If anyone else have had these, let me know which one to try, because the other one I got was hibiscus. But yeah, if you are going to college soon, I highly recommend investing in an air fryer. They're so convenient, and you can pretty much make anything in them. So yeah.